County had a large number of fire deaths last year, and the Red Cross wants to make sure that doesn't happen this year. ABC 2's Don Harrison tells us what the Red Cross will do tomorrow to help Anne Arundel County residents.
When firefighters in Anne Arundel County head out to put out a fire, if the house doesn't have a smoke detector, that often can mean a more dangerous situation for the homeowner. The American Red Cross wants to make sure people have smoke detectors so this doesn't happen to your home.
We go door to door, working with local fire departments to install smoke detectors free of charge.
They will be handing out smoke detectors in the Annapolis area and in Edgewater. They are smoke detectors with lithium-ion batteries. The battery life in these smoke detectors are good for 10 years. The Red Cross will be doing more than just installing smoke detectors.
We also brief the residents on fire safety, how to evacuate the home, how to come up with a plan to meet outside the home, like a rally point, and also to prepare kits, fire safety kits.
There were 12 fire deaths in Anne Arundel County last year. Many of those were with houses that did not have working smoke detectors.
So to hear that alarm hopefully gives the residents enough time to get out. We have been stressing that they leave the residents within 2 minutes of hearing that fire alarm.
This is their 4th smoke detector operation in southern Maryland since June.
Our goal is to get out as many smoke detectors as we can. And this is we have 4 more years for this initiative. So we'll be doing this quite a bit.
The Red Cross hopes to see fewer fire trucks on the road for 2016. In Annapolis, Don Harrison, ABC 2 News.